Hey there, folks. Have you ever heard of something called the placebo effect? It's a pretty amazing phenomenon, and today, I'm going to break it down for you in simple terms with some cool examples. Imagine you have a headache, and you go to your doctor. They give you a pill and say, "This is a brand new, super effective headache medication." You trust your doctor, so you take the pill. Now, here's the interesting part. That pill your doctor gave you? It's just a sugar pill. It has no real medicine in it. But guess what? Many people report that their headache gets better after taking it. Why does this happen? It's because of the placebo effect. When you believe that a treatment will work, your brain can actually trigger real physical changes in your body. It can release natural painkillers or reduce stress, making you feel better. Your belief can influence your body's response. Let's look at a classic example from a study. Researchers tested two groups of people with the same kind of pain. One group got a real painkiller, while the other got a placebo, that sugar pill we talked about. The amazing thing is, both groups reported less pain. The placebo group felt better simply because they believed they were taking a real medicine. So, doctors and scientists use this effect in medical studies. In a double-blind study, some patients get the real treatment, and some get a placebo. This helps researchers figure out if the real treatment works better than the power of belief alone. But, here's the catch: the placebo effect doesn't work for everything. It's most effective for symptoms like pain, anxiety, or nausea, but not so much for curing diseases. Scientists are still studying the placebo effect, and it shows us how powerful our minds can be when it comes to feeling better. It's a reminder that our thoughts and beliefs can have a real impact on our health. So, remember, the next time you're feeling a bit better after taking something that you believe will help, it might just be the incredible power of the placebo effect at work. In next